Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another progress video of my road to sub 20, average of 12. And yeah, so far the journey has been, I guess, pretty kind of like a progress has been kind of plateauing a little bit, but yeah, hopefully I can still improve, get faster. But yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I haven't been practicing that much over the past month or so because I went on vacation for about 2 weeks, so I haven't practiced for about 2 weeks or so. And also, yeah, I might have missed some practice days as well. I usually try to practice 3 times a week, about like 10 minutes sessions um, uh, each time. So for example, probably like, yeah, 10 minutes each time I practice. And I practice 3 times a week. So yeah, I'm just trying to maintain and hopefully improve little by little. And yeah, I'm still trying to be a very consistent sub 20 average solver, but that really has not happened yet. But yeah, let me show you guys my times. I made the screen bigger so you guys can see. But yeah, so yeah, past month, which is the month of June, yeah, I have not practiced at all from like June to June 14th, which was when I went to vacation. So yeah, oh my gosh, I only logged 2 practice sessions in June. What the heck? That's even less than I thought. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I already warmed up a little bit, did a few solves. Hopefully I can get a sub 20, average of 12 in today's video. But yeah, without further ado, let's get freaking started. All right. Turning is feeling pretty good today, to be honest. All right. Okay. Okay, I mean, not a bad cross here. Okay. That was not bad. I kind of messed up the PLO there. I did the wrong algorithm, so I ended up just doing the 2-look PLO there. So yeah, that's not the best solve, but it felt good, except for that last layer there. All right. Okay, pretty good cross here. Okay, 20.02. Okay. Not bad at all. Considering that, I took a 2-week break. Very good. 18.24. Okay, we still got a chance to get sub 20, average of 12. All right, let's keep up the good solves here. All right. Oh, let's freaking go. That felt kind of smooth. Oh my gosh, wow, 16.31. F-Tool is feeling really smooth today. Wow, can't believe it. Oh my gosh, felt a little bit locky there and I did the wrong PLL algorithm. Frick, man. Okay, man, it's okay, it's okay. I mean, yeah, I took a 2-week break, so it's normal for me to, you know, maybe do the wrong algorithm like that. So, okay, whatever. Okay, I mean, 21.91. Come on, all right, we gotta lock in, bro, we gotta lock in. That was kind of a bad F-Tool there. Okay, we got 4 more solves left. We really have to lock in here or else we can't get that sub-20 average of 12, man. All right, come on, time to lock in. We can't lose hope. We can't lose hope yet. Okay, there we go, 1981. That's what we like to see. Ah, +2, bro. Okay, 24.8 and then plus 2. Damn, bro. That hurts, bro. Okay. Not sure if we can still get the average of 12, but regardless, I'm just gonna try my best. Oh my gosh, bro. Another plus 2. Oh my gosh. Damn, I don't know. Maybe my body has already given up, so I'm kind of, the solves are just getting very messy. All right. Best average of 12 we can get is 20.57. But yeah, let's try our best. End strong. We got to end strong. All right, guys, let's do it. All right. There we go. This is what I'm talking about. 16.73. Let's freaking go, bro. Let's freaking go. Okay, my end result, 20.62, average of 12. Let me make this screen a little bit bigger so you guys can see. But yeah. Okay, maybe, yeah, do like this so you guys can see my face as well. But yeah, we started off pretty good. Like, probably like our best times are like the first 5 solves, and then we just kind of, I don't know what happened here, but yeah, the times just got, the solves just got worse. But at least we finished strong with a 16.73 solve here, and yeah. Best average of 5 is 18.73. That's pretty good. Average of 12 is 20.62. Best time of 16.31. That's not bad. I'm actually pretty satisfied considering that I did go on vacation for 2 weeks. But yeah, that's it for the video, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, bye. Oh shit. Okay.